Hello, how are you, my friends? It's time for another CFAT practice test questions with answers in problem solving. I hope you're having a nice weekend. So in this video, I'm gonna solve 3 problems concerning bed mass or order of operations. This is now video series number 21. So for more of this CFAT practice test questions and practice, I recommend armytest.com, which I'll put in the description of this video. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, so back to the video. Okay, so number 1, determine the value of the following. 1 plus 74 minus 2 to the power of 2 plus 6 times 5. Here are your choices, and the correct answer is 101. Letter B. Solution. So using bed mass, we determine the order of operation from the given problem. We will do exponent first, then multiply, and then add, subtract from left to right. So we are given the problem below. So I mentioned exponent first. So the exponent that we see here is 2 to the power of 2. So the rest, we copy everything. So 1 plus 74, we just copied that first 2 numbers, and then we simplify 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to 4, and then copy the rest, plus 6 times 5, I just copied it, and then the next is to multiply. So we notice that 6 times 5 is the multiply operation at the end. So then we have 1 plus 74 minus 4 plus 30. So I just copied 1 plus 74 minus 4. The only thing that happens is I multiplied 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Then the third step now is to add or subtract from left to right. So then we got 1 plus 74, we just add them, we get 75, minus 4, and then plus 30. So 75 minus 4, we get 71, and then plus 30, we got 101. Okay, so number 2, calculate the value of 84 divided by quantity of 4 times 3 minus quantity of 4 plus 3 minus 1. So notice carefully that 4 times 3 and 4 plus 3, they are almost similar, except the one is multiplication and the one is addition. So here are your choices below, and the correct answer is minus 1. Okay. Solution. So we get using bed mass again for the order operations. We got brackets, division, and subtraction. So the one we have in brackets are 4 times 3 and 4 plus 3. So we do them first, and so we get 84 divided by 4 times 3. We do them first because they're in brackets. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That's why we got 84 divided by 12 minus 7 minus 1. So notice that I copied 84 and 1 at the start and 1 at the end. The only thing I did on the first step was to multiply 4 times 3 and add 4 plus 3. Okay, and then now the next step is division. So we get 84 divided by 12, that's the division, is equal to 7. Okay, and then I just copied minus 7 minus 1. So we got 7 minus 7 minus 1. And then now the third step is subtraction. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, and then 0 minus 1 is equal to negative 1, which is letter A is the correct answer. Okay, moving on to number 3, the last but not the least of the questions today. 62 times, solve the following. 62 times 6 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 3 divided by 6 to the power of 0. So here are your choices, and the correct answer is letter D. Solution. Okay, so again, using BEDMAS, we do the exponents first. There are 4 steps in this last problem. Exponents, and then multiply, and then divide, and then subtract. So exponents, we got 3 exponents here. So 6 to the power of 2 to the power 2 to the power of 3 and 6 to the power of 0. So we do them first. So we copy 62 times, so 6 to the power of 2 is 36, and then 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 6 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, so I did all the exponents all at once in one single step. Okay, 6 to the power of 2, 36, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and 6 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And then we multiply now. Okay, so 62 times 36 is equal to 2232. Okay, and then we divide also the next step. 8 divided by 1. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. So, and then now the last step is to subtract. So 62 times 36, that is 2232. And then 8 divided by 1, that is 8. So we just subtract them. 2232 minus 8 is equal to 2224. Okay. I hope you learned something from this video, and wish you all the best in your CFAT exam. I hope you pass it with flying colors. The more you practice, the better chances of passing the CFAT. Okay, so hope you have a wonderful career in the Canadian Armed Forces. Cheers, have a good one, and take care.